there, it's Alex from Treasure Coast House Hunters. Today we're at PGA Village Verano and I'm about to reveal the exquisite Paige model. This stunner boasts 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a flex room, and a spacious 3-car garage, and the potential for your very own pool. For contact details, check out the comments below and don't forget to hit subscribe for exclusive access to our amazing videos. Let's step inside to experience the luxury within and dive into this beautiful home. As we step into this magnificent home, you'll be captivated by its spacious and intelligently designed layout. The harmonious balance between the living spaces allows for both intimate gatherings and grand entertaining. One of the highlights of the Paige is its standard 3-car garage, providing ample space for your vehicles and storage needs. The home's exterior is equally impressive, boasting robust construction that's ready for the South Florida lifestyle. Imagine enjoying your mornings with breathtaking waterfront views, a standard luxury for many homes here at PGA Verano. The Paige offers a backyard oasis that's both serene and visually stunning. Golf aficionados will be delighted with the easy access to the renowned PGA Golf Club. Whether you're a member or just enjoy the occasional round, this is a golfer's paradise. PGA Verano stands apart with its vast array of amenities. Whether it's playing pickleball, enjoying a swim in one of the 3 pools, or staying active in the state-of-the-art fitness centers, there's always something to do here. Once again, thank you for joining us today. We look forward to being your trusted partners in finding your dream home in the Treasure Coast. Until next time, take care and stay inspired.